Roseland, New Jersey.
You are now watching Doorbell News.
White House, New Jersey. A neighbor shared this footage from the earthquake that happened last week on the East Coast. Cranston, Rhode Island. Looks like we have an unwanted visitor here.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Can I leave a message for? Oh my goodness! Can I leave a message for your dog?
For my dog?
Yeah. They're barking. Yeah, that's all.
What? Are you okay?
Yeah, you okay?
Why would you leave a message for my dog?
Because they're barking, and I just wanted to leave a message. That's all.
Okay. Well, you have a good day.
You too.
Okay. Bye-bye.
What the fuck? Asshole.
She says she wants to leave a message for my dog. Grand Junction, Colorado. Check this guy out. Definitely doesn't know how to drive. San Francisco, California. Check her out. Looks like she's trying to jimmy her way inside of somebody's mailbox or something. She looks like a strong woman. San Jose, California. Check this guy out. Looks like he's trying to take something out of somebody's Mercedes.
I'm rich. I'm rich. Oh, I did it. Love you too, jackass. All right. Good night. I love you.
So Peter decided to start a lawn care business last week. Let's see what happens. Check this guy out.
Hey!
Arlington, Washington. Looks like a mountain lion in someone's backyard. Always remind the kids to slow down when running downstairs. Everett, Massachusetts. Looks like some more unwanted visitors. Las Vegas, Nevada. Dorchester, Massachusetts. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Another doorknob wiggler. Better make sure those doors are locked. San Jose, California. So this girl comes by talking about she's looking to see if a car is for sale. This ain't no auto trader. Let's see what happens.
Hi,
Oh, hi.
sorry for bothering you that way. I noticed the RAV4. I wanted to know if you guys maybe wanted to sell it. We're looking for a car. I know it's not like a flat and stuff.
No, it no sell.
Jackson, Mississippi. Caught in the act. Let's see what happens.
I see you. I see you. Here I go. Here I go, bitch. Here I go. Here I go.
Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Home of the Tweakers. City of brotherly love.
Hey! Get the out!
Oh, sorry.
Oh, they did.
Sorry.
You see that?
Holy shit.
Call Caitlin.
Hurry
Tell
up.
her to run down there.
Dude, I just saved our packages. They ran away.
San Bruno, California. Better look out for those mountain lions. Meanwhile in Stockton,
Why you keep knocking?
this guy's back.
What the? They must move around, huh? Sure do. Yeah. They been home with those trying to have fucking relations. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Huh? I like the spots on my shit. I ain't everybody else should go worry about this. It's a sense. Hello? I'm ready to have relations, please.
Genoa City, Wisconsin. These guys just walk right inside of somebody's house at 5 in the morning. Better make sure you lock that door before you go to sleep.
There's a camera right there.
Meanwhile in San Jose,
Who the fuck are you? What the fuck? Weird ass running and shit. Weird ass. Go through my car, Dave.
another unexpected visitor. Let's see what happens. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, sorry, mate. This is number 40.
Yeah, but what are you fucking doing?
Oh, sorry. I've come to meet a girlfriend, but it's obviously...
Get fucked.
Alright, okay, okay,
You
okay.
fucking dog.
Hey, relax now.
Hey, Don't come that shit here.
I got the wrong place, mate.
We're calling the cops. We have pictures here. We'll fucking show them. Fuck off.
Go home. Go away.
Tell you slag the fuck off and all.
Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.